welcome to my channel. Enjoy cooking with Al. I'm glad you're able to join me today.
Okay guys, today we're going to be making salmon penne pasta with sun-dried tomato sauce. As you can see, these are the ingredients that we're going to be using today. Now I have already cooked and oiled my pasta al dente. Put a little oil, tossed it so it doesn't stick. Look at that. Alright guys, let's get going. Okay guys, let's just oil our pan. We're going to cook our salmon. Alright, now I already got my pan pretty hot, okay? Now I'm going to cook my salmon fully through. Now keep in mind, you want to take this wonderful salmon, look at this, and you want to take off the silverback. I have already done that for you, as you can see. Let's get that in the pan. Wonderful, okay? Let's just cook that all the way through. Alright, this is the salmon. I covered it with my cover, okay, and I cooked it on the top. This way I didn't have to turn on my oven, and also keep in mind, the oven tends to dry out. So I didn't want to dry out my salmon, so it's still nice and juicy. Just press it down. Wonderful. That's what we want. Now we're going to season these with salt and pepper. Okay? I'm just pressing it down. Look at that. The natural flakes is helping me break it nicely. Look at these nice chunks. Okay. Let me just get my fork. Continue to just press it a little bit here. And I'm going to add my salt and pepper, because we're going to season this up. This is salt and pepper to taste, okay? Just season it up nicely. And we're going to continue to break it, pressing it down. And this is going to be wonderful. Add into our sauce. Okay? Okay guys, now in the same pan, I got my pan a little hot, and we're going to saute our garlic. We're preparing for our sauce. Okay? And our onion. Wonderful. Let's just saute that up. You want to do a medium fire, a medium temperature, however your stove is worked, okay? You don't want to burn it. You just want to saute it, okay? Release the flavors. That's what we're trying to do. Okay, now we're going to add our sun-dried tomatoes. Let's get that cooked down and get some flavors going. Alright, cook that down. Don't rush, give it some time, release some flavors. Oh, it smells delicious. Alright, this is delicious. This is smelling really great. Let's add our cream right into here. Get it all in there. Alright, let that cook down. Extract the flavor from the sun-dried tomatoes. That's what we want to do. Okay, guys? Alright, I'm going to keep my eye on this. Alright guys, we're going to add our penne pasta right in there. Wonderful. Then we put our salmon. Alright, combine all this together. Oh, this is looking great. Perfect. Just combine everything nicely. Oh, yes. Alright. Get it all in there. Mix it nicely, okay? Look at that. Look at that. Now we're going to add a little salt and pepper to taste, okay? Let's add some salt and pepper to taste. Okay. A little salt and pepper to taste. Let's give this a good taste. Gonna mix this up a little bit, combining everything. Notice how I'm folding it. Got that nice salmon in there. You got those wonderful sun-dried tomatoes. You're just combining everything together. Look how creamy and rich it is. This is wonderful. Alright, let me give it a quick taste. Oh, I can't wait. Alright, here we go. Beautiful. Let's give this a taste right now. Let's see if it hit it. Got what we want. Oh, excuse me. Delicious. All you want to do now is get it nice and hot and serve. It is ready to go. salmon penne pasta with sun-dried tomato sauce. I'm telling you guys, this is delicious. Thanks guys for watching. If you are new to my channel, please don't forget to click on the subscribe button below, and I would love to hear from you. Feel free to leave your comments. Until next time.